we're leaving. We're leaving. It's been a serious weekend with all these cars, but we still, oh, look at that little puppy. We still got to get home.
Back there. I actually think my Waze is taking us there, but I'm not 100% sure right now.
Look at this Oldsmobile. It's mint. Oh, the Delta is a bit stiff. We've got an undercover cop from the city following us, but like, we're all just warming up our oil and we're all a little hungover and tired. So I don't think anything's happening. Oh, the 993 looks so good in the mirror. That's the best thing about rolling with cars that you really like, is that you get to look at them the whole time, no matter what you're driving. Maximum. If you're ever looking for that European experience pretty close to home, if you're on the East Coast, Quebec City is the place. This place is absolutely gorgeous. I cannot see my speed at all because of this little steering wheel. And now I'm like realizing this is likely the least safe car we have here, just because there's no like airbag and safety like a normal car. Dude, this is great. That's just the mud flap hitting the ground. Lancia is holding speed, like, I'm blown away. You can't believe it. Like, I mean, it's really, it does keep up with these things, and like, it goes to show you don't need 1,000,000 horsepower to get the job done. These seats are so comfortable, dude. Oh my god, these are the star of the show. I spent the whole day yesterday in that DTM, the day before in the 993, and I thought like, you know, I've driven the Lancia, whatever. Dude, now I'm like, this is the ticket. This is how you cruise. This thing's so good. Oh my god. Hot rod culture in Canada, baby! This is a Barracuda? Yes, dude, I love some Mopar stuff. This is sick. Oh my god. So when you're fueling the Lancia, it has a tricky little system here. So you take the ignition key right here, twist and pull, and off that comes. And then I guess we can just put this here for a second. Why, yes, I would like a receipt. Get in there. Okay, and that's it. That's the thing. Something in the road up there, I think. It's a porcupine too, so that would have been another wheel and tire package claim. I'm wide open. This is always the saddest part. It was really great riding with you guys, and hopefully we'll see you again real soon. What on earth are you? Dude, what? We just keep finding everybody today. This is great. Fantastic to see this. Epic. Like every successful road rally, it begins and ends at Garage 42, where I store my cars and where these Team Champagne Ninjas cars are stored. So it's time to put this Lancia back, see what the damage is road grime wise, because oh my goodness, I'm sure it's a trip. And I'm just thrilled to be done because I'm exhausted. Dude, this has been a real time. I'm gonna bring this in a second for Edwin, but I just wanna show you what the rally grime looks like. That's it, man. Boston to Canada and back in this hot little Lancia that did all the speeds it needed to do, and it still looks fantastic. The 993 absolute champion and has eaten every bug up the eastern seaboard right now. This is just disgusting. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm gonna go sleep for a day. Don't forget to respect the drive, and I'll see you in the next one.